What is up, guys? Me, Beast Gamer here with another video. Today I'm here with all these people here. What am I going to do to guys is a bike ride out. This is the leader, he's going to be leading us out. So we're going to just get our cameras out here and we'll see what kind of bikes we have here today. So this is my bike here, guys. This is my bike. It is a Dinka Okuma, I think. So yeah, this is my bike here. So let's move on to Henry's Beta. It is matte black and nice rims on it. All that stuff there. Here he has him here himself and nice back rims, everything on that. Alright, now move on to another Beta. So here we have an orange, metallic red and metallic blue with a black license plate. Nice rims on it too. Let's move on to the other bike. Oh, I know this bike's called a Dinka thingamadiggy. So he has Merry Christmas on it, cool. And nice rims on it, nice exhaust pipe. So let's move on to the last one, but not least. It's a Beta. A lot of Betas here today, guys. Here we have Josh. Merry Christmas too. Nice rims on it too. Nice exhaust pipe. And yeah, guys, we're just gonna get to this video straight away. So see you on the highway. I'll put up the wheelie straight away. Alright, let's move. Yeah, go. Alright, wait, go. Alright. Alright, pull one up. Pull one up. I'll get it behind. Oh shit. Nah, we stay here for a while. Alright, so guys, now we're gonna do some wheelies in the highway. So guys, let's hit the highway. Oh shit. Guys, you're probably wondering what the hell am I driving, but this bike is class for me. Yeah. Still going. Need to put that down. Alright guys, we'll pull over here. Alright now guys, I need to go whole way over back over here. Cause someone killed me. Alright, this is the guy that killed me. You give me access. Give me your shit. Backflip, guys. Look back, get it. Look back, get it. Get it. This guy. Oh, landed it. Let's see if we can hit this one. Oh. Alright guys, now we're gonna head into the back of this clothes store and do some wheelies. Let's go. It's gonna be our wheelie spot here. Alright, pull up one first. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh shit, let's hit one. Oh shit. 3. Right, I'm just showing you guys what they can do on the wheelies and all that stuff. Give me a stoppie at the end. No, you couldn't. Wow, you're shit, man. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my bike and we'll do a wheelie thing. See if I can do it better. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of this video.